Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how to install and set up your app, Apptivo Action Automation for workflow. Once you're on your account, navigate to App Marketplace, search for the app, and you click on it. Then you click on Install to choose the account where you want to install in. Then you click on Continue, and you click on Allow and Install. And you're going to see this page that is going to pop up. Copy the custom menu link, head back to the account, navigate to settings, and you click on the custom menu links. Then you click on create new, and you insert an icon, you give a title, and you paste the link right over here. You give a sidebar preference, and you choose the account. Then you give a role-based visibility, and you click on save. Once you're done with the custom menu link, switch over to the account where you added it and you click on it. Then the first interface of the app is going to pop up. Here, let's walk you through on how to connect the app if the app hasn't been connected. Click on manage, and the second interface is going to pop up where you have all the necessary features such as the documentation. And in this documentation, everything you need to get started with the app is present. We have the tutorial video that's going to guide you on how to get the necessary credentials to set up your app. The app has been connected, but no worries, let's walk you through on the process of connecting or configuring this app. Let's head to the account online. You click on your profile, click on the business settings, you click on the access API key, and you generate a new API key, copy it, head to the account, click on start setup, and you paste. Then you copy the access key and you paste. Then you click on complete setup and your app will be successfully configured. We have the support center where you'll be able to create a ticket and book a call for our support team, and a change log feature, which is a very interesting feature, and you're going to receive all the updates and changes made on this app. To receive notification, toggle on the notification button, insert your professional email, and you click on the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. You've learned how to install and set up your app. Our support team is available for more guides and tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.